Got company coming over? Here's some quick and easy decorating ideas to help your guests feel right at home. First off, let's look at this entryway. It's the first thing your guests will see, so it should be inviting. Let's go back and take it a step at a time. Painting the door a deep navy and installing this complimentary peel and stick wallpaper adds instant personality. A hallway mirror brings in extra light, a large planter adds life, and an area rug helps define the space. Add some textured lighting and finishing touches, and voila, ready for a warm welcome. Next, let's look at this powder room. It already looks great, but a little more color will make guests feel like they have their own private getaway. Start with another fun peel and stick wallpaper pattern, then paint the wainscoting a cheerful blue to match. Now flip out the faucet and other bath hardware to this classy oil-rubbed bronze finish. Add some greenery, wall art, and a cozy rug to bring the comfort level up, and you're finished. The last space we'll address is the living room. This is where your guests will likely spend most of their time, so make it amazing. First, some color. A paint stripe can have just as much impact as a whole accent wall. Hanging shelves above the seating area adds coziness, especially once you layer in decor elements and hanging plants. Add some bright pillows and just a few more plants, and you've got a space that your friends and family will feel right at home in. For more ideas on getting your home guest ready and to shop these products, click the link in the description below.